What?
I just saw a bird!
And the bird I saw was a catbird. How do I know it was a catbird? Because it has dark wings, a long black tail, and a cool black toupee, just like Mr. Sibley said it would in Sibley's Guide to Birds, which is an amazing book about birds. Catbirds are really cool. Would you like to know why?
Of course you want to know why.
It turns out catbirds are amazing mimics, meaning they can actually sound like other birds and like cats. Hence the name. What? You don't believe me? Well, check this out. Pretty cool, huh? Catbird, you're amazing. We love you.